Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important aspects of promoting anything online as an affiliate: pre-selling. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to explain what is pre-selling, how do you actually implement it. I'm going to give you a template. This is something that people have requested a lot in the comment section, so I'm going to give you an actual template that you can apply, and also I'm going to show you an example in my computer so you see exactly how I do it, how I create pre-selling pages. So first of all, what is pre-selling? So pre-selling is basically the page you create before sending someone to an affiliate link. And this page, this page's job is basically to just make the sell for you, to basically convince someone that you are the right person, this product is the right person, and they should buy the product because it's going to help them to solve that problem, whatever that problem is. So that's the pre-selling page job. And if you want to do pre-selling right, first of all, you have to do the pre-selling. It's almost impossible to sell something without pre-selling. You have to convince someone to trust you, and also to trust the product, and all that stuff. So it's important to do pre-selling. It's almost impossible to just send someone directly to an affiliate link and expect them to buy the product. So you have to do the pre-selling. Now, if you want to do the pre-selling right, you have to follow a template. Now this template is basically a step-by-step template that just it's like a list of things that people expect to see on a page that convince them to buy the product. Now this is a really interesting template. This is something I've tested for a long time. I've been testing it for years, and in this video I'm going to give you that template so you see exactly how it's going to work. All right, so first of all, let's get started. Let's talk about the template. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to draw it for you, and then I'm going to go to my computer to show you how you can I'm going to show you an example in there. All right, so let's talk about the template. So the way this works is that let's draw this page real quick. Now let's say this is the pre-selling page. Now just to be clear, there can be a lot of things between these things. For example, sometimes you don't want to send people directly to a pre-selling page. You could have an opt-in page here, and then after they opt into your list, they go to that pre-selling, right? So you can do a lot of different stuff with pre-selling. And in this case, we're just talking about pre-selling. Again, you can use the pre-selling page in a lot of different funnels, so just keep that in mind. All right, so the first step of the pre-selling, basically pre-selling page, is the headline. Okay, now this has to be really engaging. You can't see it. Okay, so this has to be really engaging, and this is one of the most important parts of your pre-selling, because that's the first thing people are going to see. So it has to be engaging, and more importantly, it has to be related to whatever they were seeing before landing on this page. For example, if you're running an ad and that ad says lose weight, lose 20 pounds in the next 30 days, your headline has to say something like that. It has to follow that same template. Lose this amazing supplement is going to help you to lose 20 pounds in the next 30 days, something like that, right? So it has to follow the same template, because if you don't do that, you're going to create a it's going to be a little bit misleading, and you're not going to make this out. It's going to hurt your sales. Okay, so make sure you follow the same template, whether someone's coming from the opt-in page to the pre-selling, or someone's coming from the ad to the pre-selling. Okay, so next step of a pre-selling page is the video. Now, a lot of people try to use content because it's much easier to use content instead of a video on a pre-selling page, but let me tell you something. Video is the best way to do pre-selling. Okay, you have to use a video. If you're not using a video, you're not doing it right. So it's important to use a video. Now, video pre-sellings don't have to be too long, usually like 5 minutes, something like that, and it explains the product. And there's a template for the video itself that I don't want to talk about it too much here because it's going to take a while, but to give you just like a quick overview, you need to talk about the problems people are facing, whether it's like it's a weight loss product or whatever, you know, you need to talk about the problems they're facing right now, and then you need to talk about the product and then how this product is going to solve the problem, and then maybe add a bonus to it, you know, why they should buy from you. So you need to add a bonus to it too, okay? So that actually just closes the sale at the end of the video. So just you follow that template, okay? So that's the video. Next step is the bonus. Now obviously you're gonna have a button here, okay? This button is gonna, if they click on it, that's gonna take him to the affiliate link, okay? But under this button you're gonna have a bonus section. Now this is where you explain your bonus. Now this is really important because let's say they watch your video, right? They're convinced that, okay, this might be a solution. This might be a solution to my problem. So what now? You know, this bonus, this is gonna like do that final push, to that final push that makes someone to buy something. So you need to have a bonus. It doesn't have to be something amazing, you know. Something really simple. It's not that complicated to create a bonus. Now I've talked about creating bonuses before inside Gold Masterclass and also on my YouTube channel, but you know, it doesn't hurt to spend time on building something like this, you know, because all you got to do is just create a single page. I know, let's say you spend a week to create this page, this amazing pre-sale page. This pre-sale page is going to make sales for you forever. So you know, it doesn't hurt to spend, you know, some time on it, you know, invest some time and money to make this happen, make something amazing, okay? So just keep that in mind. It's not going to happen overnight. So that's the bonus section. Now next one is proof, okay? So now proof is another thing. Now it depends on the product that you promote. There are different ways that you can provide proof, okay? So if, let's say it's a money related product, you can provide proof that, okay, people are making money with it. Or even if you're using that product, you can actually share your own results. That's something I do. I'm actually going to show you right now when we get to my computer. So that's one way, you know, showing proof. That's really, really important, okay? You have to have it. Now next thing, which is like almost this is the end of it almost, you know, this is where you share more details in case if you want to, you know, explain more about the product, if there's something you kind of left out here or something that wasn't that important but you think you have to mention it, you can share it here. And then you're gonna have a button at the end again, same as this one, okay? So that's the button. All right, so this is the basic template. Again, let's go to my computer right now, because seeing it is one thing actually, but like me explaining it is one thing, but seeing it in action is just another thing. So let's go to my computer. Let me show you this template in action. Alright guys, so here's an example of the page. As you see, it just follows the exact template. So it starts with the headline and then there's a pre-sale video. This one is 5 minutes. I've had 6-7 minute videos too, but 5 minutes is the perfect, you know, the sweet spot. You know, the minimum is, I think you have to have it at least a 3-minute video. Yeah, that would be like the minimum, I think, you know, because less than 3 minutes, it's not gonna be enough, okay? So 5 minutes is just that, you know, sweet spot. So there's this button, you know, it takes them to the affiliate link, and then you know, this is my bonus. As I explained, as you see, it just follows the exact same template. The bonus explains the bonus that I have, and then just, yeah, this part explains more. Now this is a proof, okay? So this is where I share some of my results that I use, like my results with the system. There's a lot of results, like there was a lot of testimonials on this product, but because I've been using this product myself, so I just, you know, I shared my own results. Why not? Okay, so again, there's more buttons. Like, I'm getting a little bit creative with these buttons here. You're not supposed to have a button here, but you can just try them, you know, like test them, see what works, what doesn't work, because you can always, you know, add things to test. That's the best way, you know, that's the best thing you can do. You have to just keep testing things to improve them. So yeah, so there's more explanation here, and then at the end I have a timer. It's not working right now because I've already visited this page countless times. So, and then there's the button at the end again, just takes them to the affiliate page, affiliate link. All right. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. Now let me explain something really important about affiliate marketing. The thing is that affiliate, like promoting products as an affiliate, making money as an affiliate, doesn't have a single strategy. You know, there are multiple strategies that you can use for different products, and the thing is, each product has its own different strategy, you know, based on the sales page of that product, based on the category, the niche of that product. You need to use different strategies to promote affiliate products. You know, there's not a single strategy that you can use for every single affiliate marketing product out there. So it's important to understand these strategies, know these strategies, and know where to use them, when to use them based on the product. All right, so that's something you learn inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to talk about all of these strategies in detail, and more importantly, you're going to see me actually building a campaign right in front of you, something that no one's going to do out there. It's not just me explaining things, it's me actually building campaigns right in front of you, click by click. So it's something you should definitely check out if you're interested to learn more, learn all of these things in details that you've never seen before. All right, so I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one.